first let's draw a large circle for the iris, then draw the shape of the eye. Start with a slightly elongated oval. This will be the base for Kokushibu's fierce gaze. Next, within the oval, place a kanji in the pupil. This gives the eye that captivating look. Remember, Kokushibu's eye is known for its intensity. Moving on the eyelashes, draw long dramatic lashes that extend from the upper lid. Now for the fun part, coloring, use a yellow entire the iris and shade with deep red or purple. Blend in darker shades for depth and leave a few areas white for highlights.
Musicality.
Now move on to the skin using dark brown slightly, then add skin color all over area. And there you have it, Kokushibu eye. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment below which character eye is your favorite. Keep drawing and stay creative. See you next time.